The Jamaican rose apple is a fruit that you may not have heard of or have simply forgotten about for a very long time. Scientifically called Syzygium Jambos, the rose apple is originally from Southeast Asia. Like most fruits, it has been given many names by the numerous regions it is found in. Some of the most common names are plum rose, water apple, cloud apple, wax apple, Malay apple, and rose apple, as we call it here in Jamaica. So let's take a look at the health benefits of the rose apple. The rose apple tree typically grows quite tall, but has low-hanging branches, making the fruit easy to pick. The rose apple many times is confused with a more common Jamaican Otaheite apple, but they are quite different in appearance. The fruits are small, maybe an inch or two wide, and resembles another popular Jamaican fruit, which is the guava. Like guava, the outer layer is usually light green or yellow. But outside of appearance, that's where all the similarities end between both fruits. The rose apple tree bears beautiful blossoms, as well as sometimes the fruits are so small that if one isn't deliberately looking for them, they could easily be missed. Rose apples can be eaten raw, or you can use it to make a refreshing drink. It can also be cooked by steaming or simmering, or be used to make a tasty fruit jam. Have you ever tried rose apple cooked? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're liking this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. The rose apple, or Syzygium Jambos, is native to East Indian and Southeast Asian countries. They came to Jamaica in 1762 and has been spread across the Caribbean and other parts of the Western world, including Mexico and Peru. Rose apples have a strong fruity flavor. They are sweet, crisp, light, crunchy, and have a texture quite familiar to an American apple. The rose apple contains many vitamins and minerals and has many nutritional values. They will make a great addition to almost any diet. In a single rose apple, you will receive carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, vitamin A, thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, vitamin C, mineral, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc. That is a mouthful. As with most fruits, rose apples make a great snack. In many parts of the world, it is used in some dishes, and in some Southeast Asian countries, it is served with spiced ginger. The wood from the rose apple tree, being as dense as it is, makes it excellent for burning charcoal. The rose apple tree is used in some regions for traditional medicinal purposes because of its richness in tannins and antimicrobial properties. Evidence shows that the rose apple has a positive effect on diabetes as it increases metabolism, which in turn decreases blood and glucose levels. Rose apple is low in sodium but high in potassium, making it a great addition to the diet of anyone struggling with high blood pressure. These properties are known to effectively reduce high blood pressure and ultimately decrease the risk of related heart conditions. Thrush can be an annoying issue for many persons. Using a rose apple to create an oral mouthwash can effectively get rid of thrush and other fungi prone to affect the mouth. The rose apple is believed to have antibacterial properties that will slow or stop the growth of some bacteria. However, this is a concept that is still being studied by scientists. Rose apple is considered a diuretic as it increases the excretion of water from the body, which increases kidney functions. The International Archive of Applied Sciences and Technology has published information that supports the belief that the rose apple fruit aids in the reduction of fevers and alleviation of headaches. Many people are always looking for ways to increase their chances of losing weight. Well, not only is the Jamaican rose apple tasty, but its high fiber content will keep you feeling full so you eat less and will help to improve your digestive health. It is believed that the rose apple aids in relieving arthritic and muscle pains. However, this is a phenomenon that is still being studied. Scientific studies have proven that niacin, which is found in the rose apple fruit, significantly lowers bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. Having a handful of these small fruits might work wonders for your cholesterol. Free radicals. The rose apple may protect you from early aging and damages that may occur to the body due to toxin from UV rays, toxins, and pollutants, by using its vitamins and antioxidant properties to combat the effects of free radicals. The rose apple seems to be slowly dwindling, so if you ever get your hands on some of this delicious fruit, remember, please replant those seeds. Thanks for watching.
Elite Jamaica.